Now let's drop in our camera. I can actually visualize here so I can see the pieces of chocolate, and maybe turn on the ground plane also, just so we can line up the camera nicely. Come back out to OBJ, and I'm going to control click on camera. Okay, I'm going to keep this position for our starting position. Make sure you press lock, this padlock, to keep the camera with you as you move around. Okay, I'm going to keep it here, and then I'm going to alt click on here to set my keyframes, and then alt click here to set my keyframes there also. Make sure that our animation options, so let's limit the frame range to 70 frames. Our animation are 70 frames, so 70 there. Click apply, close that, and then head over to the last frame, and let's zoom in a bit so we can, and then just kind of frame it up again. As long as this is as long as this padlock is turned on, the camera will follow with you as you move around. Okay, so line it up something like that is good. And then you can see the colors change there, so we need to alt click to set our new keyframes. Alt click on the rotation as well, and let's see the animation. If we head back to the first frame, click play, you can see the camera heading in there. But you might notice the easing, got some ease in and ease out, and I don't want that. So if we come over to the animation editor, just space and H to home the view, and then we'll see, make sure we got everything in view. Select all of the keyframes, and then head down here to linear, enter. Let's watch out again. Perfect. Now what else could we do? Let's go inside, and we could drop in the ground plane. So obviously the idea is we got the blueberries and the chocolate dropping into kind of like cream or yogurt. So we need a big grid to represent our yogurt. Let's do that 19 by 19. Oh, 17. 17.5, I'm going to do that. And I'm going to give it a lot. We need a very high resolution here. So 1000 by 1000, so I've got a million points to work with. Okay, because we want a lot of detail in the we need a lot of detail here, so we can get all those nice kind of ripples and waves and folds in the yogurt. And let's move it so it fills the frame a bit there. Move this over -3 over this way a bit, and move it back. Got some values worked out already there, so it fills out the frame nicely. And we can just merge these temporarily, just so you can see where we're going with this. Okay, maybe just quickly drop some normals on our grid. There we go, so the colors aren't weird. So running a bit faster now because we do have a lot of points, as I said, 1 million points there. Very important also to remember to take this off. Okay. Otherwise, when you move around, you'll change the keyframes that we've already done. Cool, so that's all set up, ready to go.